I see the full range of hashtag usage on LinkedIn. I see people going after the big hashtags with millions of followers, and then I see them going after hashtags with 1 or 0 followers. Let's not have that happen for you. In this video, we're gonna unlock LinkedIn hashtags for you. What that means is a step-by-step process for how to identify the best hashtags to get in front of the people you want to see your posts. Before we get into this video, I have to unlock 2 categories of hashtags that are extremely misunderstood. The first category is you want to have a personal branded hashtag. That is a whole different category than your niche hashtags. Let's start with unlocking your personal branded hashtag. The simple thing is you just start using it and telling your audience to follow it. You may be starting this hashtag from 0, and that is okay. You're gonna grow it quickly with a few of the tips I'm about to give you. For example, I typed in hashtag Fox Rocks in the search bar, and I discovered that less than 10 people were following that hashtag, and it only had 1 post within the last 6 months. That is a great indication that the hashtag is open for your personal branded use. The second category of hashtags is your niche hashtags. This is where you're going to search for hashtags that are followed by your ideal audience. Those are people that are going to give your initial content visibility and come back and like and comment on all of your posts. Now that we've gotten those 2 categories out of the way, we can go into LinkedIn hashtags and where do they live on LinkedIn. The most obvious place people put hashtags is in their posts. What I see people do is either put them at the bottom of the post or use them within the text of the post. I recommend that you only use them at the bottom of the post. The reason why is as you are using hashtags within the text of the post, they become hyperlinks and you could risk your audience clicking off of your post. Another mistake I want to point out really quickly is that hashtags do not work in the comments. So they do need to be in the post of your content on LinkedIn to be able to get reach for that post. What I recommend for how many hashtags you choose is less than 10. Ideally, from a visual standpoint, I like to keep it to 2 lines of hashtags so it does not become overwhelming for the audience to see at the bottom of your post. Everyone just lumps LinkedIn hashtags into one big blue blob, and that is not gonna work for you. The other place that LinkedIn just created for your hashtags is within your personal profile. You can turn on a new feature called Creator Mode. We have a video on that right here that allows you to highlight your content within 5 featured hashtags. This is why I do recommend you stay below 10 so you can get more traction within your top 5 LinkedIn hashtags. The other place that LinkedIn hashtags are used and featured is on your company page. The company page gives you 3 hashtags that you're telling LinkedIn that you want your content to be trending in. There are additional places where your personal branded hashtag is going to go on LinkedIn, and we're gonna go over that in this video. But first, let's stick with the niche hashtags and go over how to research that. This is the misunderstood part about going after these huge hashtags. Hashtag entrepreneur, hashtag marketing, hashtag social media. Those hashtags have millions of followers, millions of potential people posting to those hashtags. You are just a tiny blip on that hashtag newsfeed. So stop using the huge hashtags and benefit from what I'm about to tell you about the niche hashtags. Pick smaller ones, especially if you're just getting started, because you can actually dominate those hashtags, become trending, get visibility, and gain an audience of people who want to see your posts. When you're researching to find these 5 to 10 niche hashtags, look for any hashtags that are below 10,000 followers. They are following the content that you are delivering. I also go out and scroll the news feed of that hashtag to see that I am in good company, that there are other similar posts that are complementary, that the current content in that hashtag is getting great engagement, and I look for audience participation that is from my ideal client. There are a few ways to find hashtags on LinkedIn that you're gonna wanna use for your business. The first one is to type it in the search bar. Type in hashtag social media tips. It opens up a page that has the number of followers, which is 1,050, and a button that says to follow. You want to scroll down the newsfeed to see if a great post got really good reach, 100 likes and comments, for example, and see what other hashtags that person used within their post. Once you've identified your top 10 hashtags that are all under 10,000 followers, a really great strategy for you is, instead of just using them on your posts, go out as a company or as a personal profile and go engage in those hashtags. Like and comment and follow the hashtags that you are using. That will help generate a huge circle of potential audience members that are going to help boost your visibility for every single post that you create. Now we've gone over your niche hashtag, and we're about to get into your branded hashtag. But surprise, there is a third category. You have community hashtags. Those are for either short-term type of movements or events or conferences that you're attending. Those hashtags last potentially for only a week to a month. You want to jump on those right when they happen and join the conversation and be engaged as a brand. Here is where I get really excited for brands on LinkedIn. The power of the branded personal hashtag. Ta-da! Here's the biggest, the hugest, the largest issue that people have when using their branded hashtag is they lump it in with this big blue blob. They've got this beautiful branded hashtag and it means nothing. Pull it out of that big blue blob of hashtag and start creating a conversation around it. Give people a reason to follow it. Give them a call to action around it. Make people recognize it and feel something when they come across it. That is the power of a branded hashtag. The first place that you are going to use it is obviously in your content. You're gonna have a phrase that says something like follow hashtag Fox Rocks for more Fox Rocks fun. Something that allows people to realize it is a different hashtag. It is something for them to follow. The second place that you can use your branded hashtag is in your call to action in your tagline of your company page. You can also start generating more visibility across all of your employees' posts if you can all choose to use the same branded hashtag and put that hashtag in all of your LinkedIn profiles. And another really powerful place to use your branded hashtag is in the direct messages. It creates a quick and easy hyperlink to direct people to your company content. The exciting thing is once you grow your personal branded hashtag, it incentivizes the entire audience that is currently liking and commenting and engaging on your posts to create original content about your brand and your company. It is so powerful to have this personal branded hashtag live beyond your original posts and content. Here's the mic drop moment. What other people say about working with you is more powerful than what you can sometimes say about yourself inside of your own content. So start using your personal branded hashtag because it's gonna change your entire experience on LinkedIn. I know you're gonna want more mic drop moments. Go check out the full playlist. I am sharing all of my best LinkedIn strategies and tips for you to get traction on the platform.